But now we've kind of fallen into something over the last couple of years, and that's the social living aspect of things. Talk a little bit about what that is. Describe this kind of new vehicle of investment for the everyday investor.
Again, thanks for having me, Rav. Happy to you know explain to a lot of your viewers and listeners, as real estate evolves. So we at Graybrook, along with our partner in the U.S., a large development-based partner, Property Markets Group, otherwise known as PMG, have kind of tied forces and have started a brand called Society Living. So you said social living, and society living is really, if you step back and you think about multifamily, so multifamily being, like traditional apartments, and Graybrook historically has invested in value add multifamily where you're buying older assets, renovating them, and sort of increasing the income. Well, on our society side, it's think about multifamily ground up development. So no different than sort of condo development in Toronto where you're building from the ground up. In the US, what we're doing in the society brand is you build an apartment, new build apartment from the ground up. The difference being, you have some different considerations because instead of selling like condos unit by unit, you actually are building to rent. And one of the very interesting things in these buildings is that they're 2, 3, or 4 bedroom layouts for the most part, but up to 50% of a given building is actually co-living. So co-living is a pretty topical thing in real estate these days, whether it's in Europe, in the US, or now even coming into Canada a little bit. But effectively all co-living is it's rent by the room instead of rent a unit. So you'll have a key to your door, you'll have an ensuite bathroom, you'll have your bedroom, and then you'll share the sort of living space and the kitchen area with other people renting those units. So the concept around society is create buildings that create a sense of community for people, and a place that people want to live, work, and be proud of to live in.